Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix hearing yourself on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing the issue of hearing yourself on Discord, where your microphone input is being played back to you in real life, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So the first method would be ensure that your operating system's microphone or recording settings do not have a loopback feature enabled. This feature can cause your own voice to be played back through your headset. Next method, in Windows, right-click on the speaker icon in the system tray, then choose Sound Settings. Go to the Advanced tab, click on More Sound Settings, go to the Recording section, right-click on your microphone, choose Properties, go to the Listen tab, and make sure the Listen to this device option is unchecked. Another method, consider using the Push to Talk feature in Discord instead of voice activity. With PTT, your microphone is only active when a specific key is pressed, reducing the chance of unintended background noise. Another method, ensure that your headset is properly connected and the cable is in the good condition. A faulty cable or loose connection might cause feedback issues. Another method, test your headset and microphone on another device to determine if the issue is related to your PC or on the Discord application. Another method, close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary issues. Lastly, if the problem persists, consider reaching out to Discord support or visiting their community forums for further assistance. They may have specific recommendations based on the latest updates on community feedback. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.